gangsters praat nou. Laat hulle praat wie het ons se kinders so doodgemaak en rygepak. In Eldos, in Westbury. They must talk. For too long, leaders of political parties bowed to gangsters. I'm not that type. Ek sê vir julle vandag, ek staan vir my mense wat vir my gewout het. People are scared to even report a crime. Because julle kom maak die mense dood. Julle moet regkom. Julle moet regkom. Ek sê vandag vir julle. Julle moet regkom. Julle op hoe mense se kinders so doodskiet, lyk julle maak honde dood. Die doodstraf sal terugkom vir julle, ek sê vir julle. So, leave this thing of innocent, daar's niks innocent daar nie. All you must do, don't take my word. Go check at the corner of every video that you see. You see, julle moes nooit die kinders doodgeskiet het nie. They're not gangsters. They're young girls with a future. Ek soek net, nou is het stil en rygepak. Ons wil het stiller hê. Ons wil Eldos stil hê. You can't be killing people. How people live in fear, man. I listened to a video of Menenberg with tears in my eyes. How the bullets were just... They shoot today. I saw a mother crying again. Enough is enough. Ons staan op. I'm glad one of them speak to say who makes bullets for them. Kerkmense. And I have paid already the lawyers of the PA to tell them be on standby to make sure nobody gets bail. The politicians, as I hear there's politicians involved, there's police involved, they must all come out. Their names must all come out. Ons is moeg. Ons kan nie so doodgemaak word as we are victims. We are standing up. If you know about the killer, I will never, ever mention your name. Ek is nie bang vir hulle, like julle sommer nou sê, ek is geiten. Kom sê my wie dit is. Ek gaan crime intelligence, ek praat met die minister, ons gaan hulle optel.